Your home's entry door is one of the first things people notice. It sets the tone for the entire property and plays a major role in both curb appeal and overall value. Over time, doors can become worn, outdated, or less efficient, which can negatively impact the appearance and performance of your home. Replacing your door is a simple yet powerful upgrade that can deliver both immediate visual improvements and long-term financial benefits. One of the most noticeable advantages of door replacement is the instant boost in curb appeal. A new door can dramatically change the look of your home's exterior, making it appear more modern, clean, and well-maintained. Whether you choose a bold color to make a statement or a classic finish for a timeless look, the right door design can enhance your home's character and make it stand out in the neighborhood. Design versatility is a major benefit of modern replacement doors. Homeowners can choose from a wide range of materials, styles, and finishes to match their home's architecture. From sleek contemporary designs to traditional panel doors, there are options to suit every preference. Decorative glass inserts, hardware upgrades, and custom finishes allow you to create a unique entryway that reflects your personal style while improving overall aesthetics. Beyond appearance, a new door can also improve energy efficiency, which directly impacts home value. Older doors often have gaps, worn seals, or outdated materials that allow air to escape or enter. This leads to higher heating and cooling costs. Modern replacement doors are designed with insulated cores and advanced weather stripping that create a tight seal. This helps maintain indoor temperatures and reduces energy consumption, making your home more efficient and cost-effective to operate. Another important benefit is enhanced security. A sturdy, well-installed door provides better protection for your home and family. New doors often come with reinforced frames, stronger materials, and advanced locking systems that improve overall safety. This added security is not only valuable for homeowners but also appealing to potential buyers, contributing to increased property value. Durability is another factor that makes door replacement a worthwhile investment. Modern doors are built to withstand daily use and changing weather conditions. Materials like fiberglass and steel resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage, ensuring long-lasting performance. This durability reduces the need for frequent repairs or maintenance, saving homeowners time and money over the years. A new door can also improve the overall impression of your home's interior. The entryway is often the first space guests experience when they enter, and a well-designed door can create a welcoming atmosphere. Features such as glass panels can allow natural light to flow into the entry area, making it feel brighter and more inviting. This combination of exterior and interior enhancement adds to the overall appeal of the home. From a financial perspective, door replacement offers a strong return on investment. Homes with updated entry doors often attract more attention in the real estate market. Buyers are drawn to properties that appear well-maintained and energy efficient. A new door signals that the home has been cared for, which can lead to higher offers and faster sales. Proper installation is essential to maximize these benefits. Even the highest quality door will not perform well if it is not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a secure fit, proper alignment, and effective sealing. This not only enhances the door's appearance but also ensures optimal performance in terms of energy efficiency and security. Maintenance is also easier with modern replacement doors. Many materials require minimal upkeep, allowing homeowners to maintain their door's appearance with simple cleaning. This convenience helps preserve curb appeal over time without the need for constant repairs or refinishing. In conclusion, replacing your door is a smart upgrade that enhances both curb appeal and home value. From improving aesthetics and energy efficiency to increasing security and durability, the benefits are both immediate and long-lasting. With the right design and professional installation, a new door can transform your home's entrance into a stylish, functional, and valuable feature that leaves a lasting impression.